Hey guys! Good afternoon. So today is June 6 and it's already 1:25 p.m. na. And today, pupunta ako ng Ortigas kasi birthday ni Jo yung kaklase ko. And birthday celebration na ngayon. And hanggang tomorrow. So, bukas naman, pupunta kami ng San Felipe, Zambales. So, siguro after kay Job, didiretso na lang ako dun sa San Felipe. So, I have card. Mag-unbox lang ako. So, I ordered swimsuit tsaka top. It's color navy blue. Dark blue. I don't know. So, siguro ito for, San Felipe na to. This top is navy blue din siya. Liit na pala. So, yan. Bala nakapack na lahat yung gagamitin ko today and tomorrow. And so, all good na. This long weekend, medyo busy and nakakapagod, but I'm excited and I'm happy. Puro travel this weekend. And tomorrow pala, kasama ko yung family ko. And today, kasama ko sila Jo, Jenica, and Reg. So, ayan. I'm gonna update you later, guys. Bye! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Di tayo sabay-sabay. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Blue. Hindi, blue mo muna. Happy birthday! Starbucks.
Gutom na ba kayo?
Sakto lang.
Pagod lang. Uy, tara picture! Yung Alphonse. Tapos may na lang.
Sige, pahinga muna kayo saglit. Mamaya tayo bumili ng cake. Yung tignan, like, mukha siyang aesthetic, di ba? Like, ang ganda niya, girl.
Pero ikaw, ito pa sa
Hindi na tayo alis. Dito lang tayo.
Oh! Fresh from Calailan.
Yes. Samahan niyo ako ng 7 Samahan niyo ako ng 7
Hindi, wala. Hindi malalo.
Ay, sakit na pa.
Check natin. 15K steps, guys.
Wow, congrats.
Pwede ito hanggang bukas. Oh, pinagdali oh. Bitter ako.
Nasaan na yun? Itong mamitin ang ganda. Pipili nga ako.
Staring at the tapestry above the bed you gave me. I still haven't washed my sheets, 'cause I still smell you in the bed you used to rest your head on. How the hell am I supposed to sleep? Can we both face our demons? Can we?
Pumunta sa hall.
Sa isang frame yan.